Coach Vic from the Warhorse Strength Camp, creator of the Champion Development Academy, where I create champions and help them win at the things that matter most to them. You know, I wanted to kind of do a quick video for one of my buddies, Garrett. We were talking pretty extensively, and he's been kind of working over a couple of things with me, and I've been kind of reach out, and that's the difference between some people who consider themselves champions, warriors, and things like that. What we do is we tend to reach out, and that's kind of what my topic was today, about being what I consider being a modern day warrior. You know, the difference of a lot of people, I mean, you got guys who fucking need to win a hot dog contest, and they like, I'm a warrior, and like, you're not a warrior, dude. You ate a bunch of hot dogs. That's not fucking impressive. I think being a modern day warrior today means somebody that steps up to the plate and goes against the grain with a very clear intentions on winning and moving the game forward in all the areas of their lives that, in my mind, matter. Because you figure you can't be a warrior in one area and be a shitty dad, or you can't be a warrior in one area and be a jacked up husband. There are, you know, but you figure from a perspective of other people that are going to look up to you, because in essence, when you're a modern day warrior, if you're somebody who's stepping up to the plate, who's defending themselves for other people, you're going to step up to the plate and take some risks that others won't. And that requires the mindset of somebody who's very focused, very driven, who isn't double in thought, meaning that you won't just kind of start, not complete things, not finish. If you can't do something, say you can't do it up front, but have a very clear intention on where you're going, why you're doing it, what you're doing, and then act on those things at 100% activity level, to the part where there's no question in your mind or someone else's mind that's working with you that this is what's going to fucking happen, because this guy will get it done no matter what. So, you know, those are one of the things that we kind of look at. And even when we wrote a Anti-Festo, which is the Warhorse Strength Camp's manifesto to the world's manifesto, which there are a couple of things that we said that we will not do, will not jeopardize, will not contradict in ourselves in the things that we do. That is, I will not go gently. Once I decide to fucking do something, I'm 100% in. I will not quit, stop, deny myself these things. That's another one. These are all things that I feel like modern day warriors should be about. I will not settle. I won't, you know, I'll succeed in spite of anything. And the sun came out, like I said, I mean, because where we are, so we're close by the beach over here. That's the beach back there behind me. And then the other one was, I will be 100% accountable for all activities, for 100% of things that happen. I will not play the victim. I think if you're going to be a warrior, period, I think that's more key than anything else, is being very 100% accountable for where you are. If you can't be accountable for yourself, then you get someone on your team that can be accountable for you, for your activities. And that doesn't make you weak. That just makes you accountable enough to know that when it's time to lean on another warrior that's going to help bring you up, guys like Garrett, other guys like that Garrett will be like, hey guys, check this out. I think you should look into this. This is fucking hardcore. It's going to make you better. Step up to the plate and do it. So modern day warriors step up to the plate on those levels as well. Making sure that every action you do counts, makes the difference between life, death, happy, sad, good, bad. I mean, that's the simplicity of all the things that matter in my mind. So, you know, when I look at the question, you know, what defines a modern day warrior to me, having that balance. It is. You know, we've all been on the opposite side of one other fence or another, and the balance usually brings us back. The opportunity to step up to the plate and make shit happen brings us back. So if you're not always stepping up to the fence, that seems to be insurmountable, some fence you can't jump, and even making the attempt to climb it, you're not a fucking warrior. You're just a guy that's talking about it, a guy that's going to be dead in a little bit, and then you're going to look back on your life, and nobody's going to really be able to say shit. You didn't live, you didn't leave nothing behind. Nobody's going to remember your name. So bear that in mind when you're making those steps forward and calling yourself a modern day warrior. All the guys out there that are just winning hot dog eating contests, and some guy that kicks some door open on some vacant house and buys it because he has to remodel the kitchen and calling himself like some real estate warrior. It's not fucking warriors, man. That's just some, TV's made that. TV's making us soft. Get away from it. Start doing your shit. Listen to Garrett, fucking awesome guy. I listen to him. And then, like I said, I run a Champion Development company, the Champion Development Academy over here. And again, even from that lesson, iron sharpens iron. So guys, keep shit up, keep shit going, stay on top of things. Listen to my man, Wake Up Warriors, stay on it.